How do I shake off a bad trading day? I'm Dan Passarelli. I've been doing this for a good 30 years, and so sure, I've had my share of bad trading days. Everybody has, and it's important to be able to deal with those things. So I do have a couple of great tips. First, if you are in a relationship, you have a husband or wife or someone you live with that you care about, if they understand trading, then and not necessarily understand the mechanics of trading, but just understand that you don't win on every single trade. You have up and down days, and that's just sort of the nature of the game. It makes sense to go and talk to that person. And if they're understanding, they can be that shoulder to cry on, if you will. If you don't have anybody to talk about that with, or maybe your significant other maybe doesn't understand that yet at this time, you can go and talk to a friend of yours who trades, or somebody in the chat room. That's the reason why we have the MTM community chat room, our Slack channel. There are plenty of people who are going through the same struggles as you, and man, it really helps to talk to somebody. If talking to someone is not your thing, then find something to get your mind off it. I wouldn't go and watch the news because, boy, if you're already upset, sometimes the news can further make you upset. But maybe if you have a hobby that is a distraction, like a lot of times after the trading day, I like to go and make dinner. It relaxes me, and it's something that takes my mind off things. Things like that can be really, really helpful as well. And if none of those things work, I find that Bombay Sapphire Martini sometimes does a trick with regular olives. But let's not focus on that. Let's focus on some of these more constructive things. I'm Dan Passarelli. Hope that helps. Trade smart.